Welcome. In this video, we're going to walk through the steps to reset your profile visibility settings on Pinterest using your PC, especially after the new update. If you've been wondering how to manage who can see your profile, you're in the right place. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to Pinterest.com. Make sure you're logged into your account with your email and password. Once you're on your Pinterest homepage, look for the gear icon located at the bottom left corner of the screen. This icon is your gateway to all settings related to your account. After clicking on the gear icon, you'll be directed to the Settings menu. Here, you'll find various options to customize your Pinterest experience. Now, let's focus on profile visibility. Look for the section labeled Profile Visibility in the Settings menu. This is where you can control who sees your profile and pins. Once you're in the Profile Visibility section, you can make changes according to your preferences. If you want to make your profile visible to everyone, ensure that the appropriate options are selected. After making your desired changes, it's crucial to click on the Reset button. This action will apply all the adjustments you've just made. Next, a confirmation prompt will appear on your screen. This is a final check to ensure that you want to proceed with these changes. Confirm this step by clicking on Confirm. And just like that, you've successfully reset your profile visibility settings. Remember, managing your profile visibility is essential for controlling how much of your content is shared with others on Pinterest. By following these simple steps, you can easily adjust who sees what on your account. Thank you for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on using Pinterest effectively. Happy pinning!